traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning: your invested capital may be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So this video is a live trading explanation video of those things which I have explained in my ebook, and in particular those things which I have explained in the candlestick chart analysis video, yes, and in the last deep explanation video, where I want to show you how you have to trade those kind of high probability, how to spot those kind of high probability trades, yes. And I will show you here. We have a 20 EMA pullback. I expect a retracement here. On the next candle I will probably doing a put. On a rejection from this level I will do a put, yes. Because this was only a retracement of this downtrend, and that's the reason why I'm doing a put, because I'm doing this what I have explained in the deep explanation video, and I'm going to show you now in a live example here why it's working. Yes, so let me see. We have here a double bottom. Yes, it doesn't look like a double bottom, but this is a double bottom with the neckline at the 200 EMA here. Yes, you see the violet, the purple line is 200 EMA, and that was the double bottom. Then we got an uptrend. That is what I have explained. First of all, get my ebook. Yes, you can find this link to this ebook in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, binary option, turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to Forex and digital options and any kind of financial instrument. Every kind of expiration time and any time of time frame. So those things which I have explained. But in the last video I have explained you how to spot high probability trading setups. So, and we will do now here on this chart, I will do now this kind of explanation, yes, of this thing what I have explained here. So it looks like a little bit complex, yes, but if you saw this video, you understand that these are the entry candles, and I will show you now in a live trading here, this on the live trading, when there will happen a trade, yes, then I will do this. But first of all, I try to show you this here. So this is the start of the trend here. Yes, we got here first a downtrend, then we got here a reversal. That is what I'm showing you here. Yes, this is what a reversal is. Yes, an engulfing candle. It can be everything I have explained to you. It can be a double bottom. It can be a morning star. It can be everything. And the vice versa on the upper side, it can be a double top, and so on. Yes, and then the uptrend started. So the first trade which you could do would be this one here, yes, because here the neckline was broken, and this is the start of the trend, and the start of the trend is almost a good position to enter into a trade. Yes, so this would be this first one. Then the uptrend continues. That is what this kind of errors are showing you. The uptrend is continuing, yes, and then you wait for evidence that the uptrend is still active. And we have here a few candlesticks, but it could be much more. Yes, it could be also a pin bar, something like this. All candlesticks which show you that there will be a continuation of the uptrend, or it's long upper wicks, yes, or long lower wicks. It doesn't matter, because at the end it's the same thing. Yes, that here, but important is that it shows you that the trend will continue. Yes. So where we have here something, we have here this kind of inverted bullish hammer. This inverted bullish hammer is showing that the uptrend is not over, that the uptrend will continue, yes, because price tried to go above, then there came in selling pressure, yes, and then you wait that price comes down again here to this level here, and then you enter on the 50 level, which is the same like a round number here, into a call. Yes, that's it, what I tried to explain. Then you get here some kind of pullback. Yes, and this kind of pullback is this what I have shown you here. Yes, you see it. This is a pullback on the one deviation. What was it here? Was it also? Yes, on the one deviation you see this kind of pullback, and you see here we have the same thing again. Yes, here on the middle Bollinger Band we get this pullback again, and so you can trade in an uptrend this kind of scenario too. So we didn't touch here the upper Bollinger Band, so this would be also a nice call, because this candlestick would tell you that we are heating up. Yes, and that is the concept behind this, and that are good trades. Yes, obviously you have to have a trend. Yes, without a trend, it's not possible. And you see here, the pullback could be traded also really nicely because of this engulfing candle here. You have here an engulfing candle, and then you can trade this kind of scenario, yes, this kind of scenario here, but the trend was not so long, yes, so you could trade only this engulfing candle. But important is that you understand that the trend, when it starts, yes, when it starts, it get you to wait for some kind of evidences that the trend will continue. So let me see what is going on here. So that I can show you another trade. So this candlestick is not telling me anything. It's looking more like, okay, again, a engulfing candle. So I will do a put now because I'm pretty much sure that we have here strong selling pressure. Yes, because this is not only an engulfing candle, this is also a shooting star. So we have a shooting star and an engulfing candle, and that's the reason why I entered here into this trade. Yes, because this is a confluence. Yes, now it's going down, and after this, I would wait till I would get another evidence that this downtrend will continue, and then I would enter into another trade. Yes, but first of all, I wait till price reverse around. Yes, there will be a reversal, and then I enter into this trade. And now I'm on this down wave of this kind of reversal. I wait for evidences that the downtrend will continue. So let's see what will happen here. You see, market is the entry point was good, and this is a sign for me that there will be most probably not so a strong downtrend, and that would be already the reason to not follow this. Yes, that means I would now think that we are going up further, but because we have here some kind of Bollinger Squeeze, you have to wait till there will be some kind of breakout or something to understand if there will come up again a breakout or a trend. Yes, because here we have no trend, and then you cannot apply this kind of scenario which I have shown you before. But I could show you this here, yes, really nicely, how you have to wait for evidences. For example, this was also an evidence because this was a nice strong bullish candle which in a consolidation area here, yes, in the ranging in the consolidation area, that means there should be come up a breakout, and that you could do trade this kind of candle, this kind of candle, then you could trade this kind of engulfing candle, the pullback here from the one deviation Bollinger Band, and that is what I have explained in the ebook and in the last deep explanation video. Watch this video about the deep explanation, get the ebook. You can find the link in the description. Join the Facebook group, and I would say that would be enough. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe. And if you have some comments or something else, let me know this. I will or join the Facebook group. So I would say stay safe and bye bye.